Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to make buñuelo, also known as drop donuts. This recipe originated in Spain, very popular in Africa. We've seen this in West Africa, in Equatorial Guinea, Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon, etc. It's a very beautiful recipe, very delicious. It's a street food, slightly different variations where you go. However, this is our version, and we're going to use flour. We're going to use butter, we're going to use egg. This one here is the water with yeast and milk. It's a delicious recipe, so stick around and enjoy.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby.
Not round.
So I stand up and
It's different shape though.
my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Alright guys, it's been cooked. Here it is. This is quite a lot for two people, but you can see just with flour and eggs and really just everyday ingredients, you can make delicious donuts. And I like to have it with a little bit of sugar. So let's try. Sprinkle the sugar. Oops. Let's try. It's been cooked. So it's crunchy on the outside and soft in the middle, as you can see. Smells delicious. It's perfect. See, it's crunchy and soft in the middle and delicious. The trick is, if you make it and it's a little bit of a strange shape, just add a little bit more flour, because it's really up to the individual how they like the texture. I like it crunchy on the outside and really soft in the middle, and as you can see, fresh and warm. Perfect to share with the family, with coffee, or you know, on its own even. But in the middle, it's very soft, and it's the perfect donut. It's a perfect miniature donut. Alright guys, I'm going to leave it there. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Give me a like if you have, and share this video with your friends, because really this is a delicious treat and it's not too expensive, and it's great to share with your friends, your family, and it's great with coffee. Alright guys, until the next video, remember, like, subscribe and share this video.